So what I want to convey with my story is that everybody has problems. Everybody has challenges. Although everything may seem fine and dandy and perfect on the outside, it's not. Why you won't see me standing still in this video is because I can't stand still. My balance is so shot that if I stand still, I fall over. Having problems does not give you a free card from anything. It's not a free pass, it's not a hall pass, it's nothing. Everybody has problems. Even though everything might seem fine on the outside, it can be a whole other different story. Like me, with traumatic brain injury. It may look fine on the outside, but it's not. Far from. The matter of fact is that everything is possible. But in order for everything to be possible, you have to take responsibility over your own success. If you can see the invisible, you can do the impossible. And if you think that's hard, you're doing it right now. You're looking at the invisible because I have traumatic brain injury.